Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to share your Shopify store link. Quick guide. Have you ever found yourself wondering how to easily share your Shopify store link with potential customers or on your social media channels? Whether you're just setting up your store or have been managing it for a while, knowing how to share your store link is a vital skill. A well-placed link can significantly boost your store's visibility and attract a wider audience. So today, let's tackle this important task together and make sure you can share your store link with ease and confidence. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center for managing everything related to your online store. Once you're inside, direct your eyes towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you will find the settings option. Clicking on it is your initial step as you navigate through Shopify's interface. The settings area is like the backbone of your store, where you can tweak everything from shipping methods to payment options. But our main focus today is on sharing your store's web address. Once you're in the settings section, look for the left-hand panel that lists various options for configuring your store. Among these options, you'll find domains. Go ahead and click on Domains. This part of Shopify is crucial as it deals with your store's online identity. It's where you manage your primary domain and any additional custom domains you might have. Understanding this area is beneficial not only for sharing your store link but also for any domain management tasks you might want to undertake in the future. Now that you're in the Domains section, you'll see a list of domains associated with your Shopify store. This list includes your primary domain, which is the main address customers will use to find your store online. If you've registered a custom domain or connected any extras, they will appear here too. Your task now is to identify the domain you wish to share. Once you've found it, you need to copy it. This can typically be done by right-clicking on the domain and selecting Copy, or by using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Macs. With your domain copied, you now hold the key to your store's online presence. You can share this unique web address across various platforms, such as social media, in emails to prospective customers, or with anyone you want to invite to explore your store. Sharing your store link is a powerful way to increase traffic and draw in new visitors. Mastering this skill means you can effortlessly promote your store from within your Shopify dashboard. By following these straightforward steps, obtaining and sharing your store's link becomes a breeze, allowing you to spread the word about your fantastic products in no time. That's it for this tutorial on how to share your Shopify store link. Quick guide. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.